Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. If you are new here, my name is Josie. So for today's video, I'll be creating this beautiful half crochet half cornrow hairstyle using the Yankee twist and a Brazilian wool. So I'm currently exploring different hairstyles I can create using the Yankee twist crochet hair, and this is one of them. Let me know if other hairstyles you want me to try out using this particular hair, and I'll gladly do so. Now without my talking, let's get right into the video. So for the crochet part of this hairstyle, the hair I'm using is the 8 inches Yankee twist. It's been untwisted or unraveled. I did that for a previous video. I think this is my third time installing this particular hair. For the feeding cornrows, I'm using 1 pack of a Brazilian wool. You can use any braiding hair you have available. Also, I'll be using some gel to help me make clean and neat parts. So for my combs, I'll be using these two, the white tooth comb for detangling and the rattle comb for sectioning and parting. And of course, my crochet pin to crochet in the Yankee twist. Now let's begin. Since I'm making a half crochet half feeding hairstyle, I'll first be dividing my hair into two. I'll be making my part from ear to ear. The front section will be for the cornrows and the back section will be for the crochet. So your part here doesn't necessarily have to be clean because you'll be covering it up with the cornrows anyway, but just make sure you have equal amounts of hair on both sides. So once I'm done parting it, I'll just move the front section out of the way. We'll work on that later. I'll move to the back section. I'll be braiding it into a cornrow. I think I did about 6 cornrows in total for the crochet.
No conflicts, no nonsense, I want to lose my stress. You are my light in the darkness, ride through the hardest point for your hardest. Pairs on Mars, it struck me the hardest till we depart when.
So I'm done with the cornrows and that's how it's looking. Now it's time to crochet in the Yankee twist. This is basically the easiest part of this hairstyle. So as I said earlier, there's an 8 inches Yankee twist. I've already untwisted or unraveled it. I did that for a previous video. Actually, this is my second time installing it untwisted and my third time installing this particular hair, and the curls are still intact. I didn't want this part to take my time, so I was crocheting 3 strands of the hair at a time, and I did that for the lower part. But when I got to the top, I was crocheting single strands because I don't want it to look too bulky. So I'll go ahead and finish with the rest of the crochet and I'll be back to show you how it's look. Also, I'm single knotting because I want the takeout to be easy. I don't want to cut any hair. I want to reuse this hair for a different style and I want it intact.
Body overload, body overload. Me I no fit leave this girl alone. She make a man them one below, man them one below. Miami Nado, you dey hide me like Pami, yellow body.
So at this point, I'm done with the crochet and the curls look so stretchy, bouncy. The hair also looks so full. I think I used about 4 packs out of the 8. I can't really tell because that's a reinstall, that's a reuse. So moving on, I've already prepped the Brazilian wool. To begin our cornrows, I'll first be dividing the section into 2 equally. I think I did 12 cornrows in total, 6 on each side. So I'll go ahead and take out my first section for my cornrow braids. I'm doing 12 cornrow braids in total. So here I'm making sure I have clean parts and I'm using some gel to help me achieve that. Also, when it comes to cornrow braids, you need to make sure your hair is really detangled before you begin. So here I'm detangling my hair and I'll go ahead and slick out my edges with some gel so I have a sleek, perfect cornrow braid. So that's how much hair I feed in at a time, and I think for each cornrow braids I feed in about 12 to 15 times. I begin my cornrow braids by braiding my natural hair up a bit. I do about 4 cycles of braid with my natural hair before I begin to feed in. So take notice of when you begin to feed in and the number of times you feed in so you can repeat for the other braids to have the same size.
My start, my time for loving, you break hearts. No one do it better than all these memories. Sit here, cherish it on this earth. You're my fire element. When I'm with you, time irrelevant. She drive me crazy. No Miss Daisy, give me doses. You my medicine. 101 at the top, you're the prospect. No, they say that love is a process. With you, it's easy, no complex. No nonsense, I want to lose my stress. You are my light in the darkness. Ride through the hardest point for your hardest. Pairs on Mars, it struck me the hardest till we depart. When girl, no other girl can never do it like you. You said I make them OD. Of everybody watching like, oh, you so nice. You got me, you, baby. I'm a lost, there's a what they do, baby. Who's the one I give you the good way to hate? 'Cause now you leave me wanting more and more.
So with the length, I make sure the crochet and the braids have equal length, and then with the ends, I just tie it up with some rubber band and then cut off the excess.
First off, you got everything I wanted. I'm worst off. If I ain't got you on me, you my future. Baby, spicy Cajun. Are your pussy better than the eyes of a nation? Baby, come right on this neck. Ay, hop on and show me.
So that's it for the first braid. I'll move to finish the rest and I'll be back to show you when I'm all done. I see a lot of bodies, but you the only body I see. Every nigga wanna see they got it, but till you get the IV. Ooh, you the illest and I got it. Babe, it's just the way that I see you. So intensely the IV too. Cause you know ain't nobody boss will fuck it up like you. So you don't need no Jack Crawford, say them touch your eyes too. Skin immaculate, but I'm not high school. And nobody can see you fuck up like enough girl size. So now I bet you own it. Girl, no other girl can never do it like you. You said I like them OD. Of everybody watching like, oh, you so nice. You got me, you, baby. I'm a lost, there's a what they do, baby. Who's the one I give you the good way to hate? 'Cause now you leave me wanting more and more and more. From miles away, I see you my start. My time for loving, you break hearts. No one do it better than all these memories. Sit here, cherish it on this earth. You're my fire element. When I'm with you, time irrelevant. She drive me crazy. No Miss Daisy, give me doses. You my medicine. 101 at the top, you're the prospect. No, they say that love is a process. With you, it's easy, no complex. No nonsense, I want to lose my stress. You are my light in the darkness. Ride through the hardest point for your hardest. Pairs on Mars, it struck me the hardest till we depart. When so now I bet you own it. Girl, no other girl can never do it like you. You said I like them OD. Of everybody watching like, oh, you so nice. You got me, you, baby. I'm a lost, there's a what they do, baby. Who's the one I give you the good way to hate? 'Cause now you leave me wanting more and more and more. Work hard, getting everything done, baby. First class, you pull. So I'm finally done with all the braids and I really love how it came out. They are 12 in total. I went ahead to hot water set them because they were looking a bit stiff. And then some final touches by doing my edges and then adding in a few pumps of the olive oil wrap set mousse to give it a bit of shine.
So when I go in, you're taking that trip. Cause you know everybody end up from the moment that you ask for that tip. Hey, I'm beating you creamy, splashing on the ceiling, got you in your feelings tonight. Yes, I own it. Kinda what a girl can never do.
So there you have it, guys. That's the final look. It turned out looking so cute and beautiful and I'm really impressed with the result. So here's my final thoughts on this Yankee twist hair. So as I said earlier, this is my third time installing this particular hair, my second time installing it unraveled or untwisted, and let me tell you, the curls on these don't move, they stay intact. Also, they are so easy to maintain. They require minimum to no maintenance at all. You can have this hair in for as long as you want. It's water friendly, it can be washed and reinstalled. So if you are looking for a low maintenance curly hair that really lasts and super affordable, then I recommend this hair to you. They are available in different colors and length. I'll leave link in the description. Be sure to check it out. So let me know what you think, and also if you have any other hairstyle you want me to try out using the same hair, leave it in the comment section and I'll gladly do so. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.